Hey guys, welcome back to Circdehsonae, day 3. Today we're going to be doing this mandala inspired skull. So, jumping right into the tutorial, we're going to start off with a fresh face. I'm going to prime my face with the NYX Cosmetics primer spray, and then I'm going to go in with their Can't Stop, Won't Stop foundation in porcelain, and I'm just going to place that all over my face. Next, I'm going to use the ColourPop concealer. This one is in white, and I'm just going to conceal like I normally would all over my face, and then I'm going to blend everything out with a sponge. And then as always, we're going to set everything with some translucent powder. And then I'm going to take some black eyeshadow and I'm going to start to contour my face. You're going to contour your face like you normally would for any beauty makeup, and then just blend that down towards your chin. We're going to do the same thing on the temples here and then under my chin as well. And then I'm just going to dip back into some of that black and start to really define my cheekbones. I'm going to pat the same black all over my lid. I'm going to pack the color first, and then I'm going to go in with a fluffy brush and start to blend that out for a smoky effect. Taking this highlight here, I'm just going to start highlighting my face. You can use any highlighter. I just had this one in my palette. And then because I wanted it to be a lot brighter, I did go in with the BHCOSMETICS Blacklight highlight palette, and I'm just going to use the white shade and start to really pack that on all over my face. And then I'm going to pack that on the center of my lid just for some dimension against the black. We are going to start outlining all of our shapes here. I am using a water activated paint from MEHRON, and I am trying to be extra careful. I don't have the most steady hand, even though everybody thinks that I do. I just kind of have a way of playing with my stripes and my shapes, and I can manipulate those in whatever way that I want. So here I just created a circle, and then I started to extend lines and then started to connect them like in a U shape. It's going to be very hard for me to explain every single detail, so I'm just going to let you guys kind of watch what I'm doing in a sense, and then you guys can change it however you see fit to your style, your face, and whatever else, color-wise as well. So right here, I'm just going in and defining all my details, and then I'm just going to let you guys see what I do. You can switch this up however you'd like, but I kind of use my tattoo that I have on my hand as inspiration as well, and then went from there. Alright, so once I'm done with all of my line work, I'm going to fill in some of that empty space with some dotting. If you've been following my journey for a while, you know that I love to replace empty space with dots. So I'm just going to go in with the black first and then take a water activated paint in white. This one is also from MEHRON, and do the exact same thing. So I'm just adding some highlights around the temples, where my cheekbones are, just to give it some little dimensions here and there. And then I'm also going to add some highlights to my eyelids to make them a little bit more bright. I'm going to pop on my contacts, and these are from Oh My Kitty for You, and then popped on a white wig. This concludes my little mandala inspired skull. I absolutely love this look, so I hope that you do too. If you happen to recreate any of my looks this spooky season, definitely tag me. I would love to see. Other than that, I am about to get ready to edit the next video, so I will see you then. Love you guys. Ciao.